Very recently, I went for an event and people loved my tie. Do you want to see how to tie this tie or not this tie? Come, let's check it out. Okay, so I have flipped this video so that my right is your right and my left is your left. Now, this part is called as a main tie, which is called as a blade, and this is called as a tail. Make sure the tip of your blade only touches until your belt level. Now, all you do is pinch this part and get it to the center of the tie. So, pinch it well, get it till here. Take the tail end, make it go above it, and go around. Okay, and take it behind it. Okay, that's one. Okay, you see, just pinch over here. Okay, now second, go over it and take it out from the back, go down. That's two. Once you're here, make it go around, go up, and again come down. So you see, you have something like three parts: 1, 2, and 3. Now once you're here, you again go up, get it down, and then from here, this is the last part, take it up and get it down. So your tie is almost ready. Now what happens to this part? So you need to find a small pocket that we have made over here. So basically, just put in your finger through this part. I know it's a bit difficult. This is the most difficult part of this tie. Get your finger out from here and get the tail to follow your finger, and that's it. Just adjust it well. And there you go. To make it tight, you use the blade and not the tail. Okay. There you go. So you have the Eldridge tie knot ready for your next presentation. So if you like the video, then share and subscribe.